What number are we working on? 3. Okay, so my instruction says solve the linear equation x minus 9 equals 3 over 5x, right? Okay, so why do you think I crossed out this bit? Because we want to focus on just solving the equation. And I'm not worried about the property that we're using. Eventually we'll review the properties, okay? All right, I'm trying to make your life a bit easier. Okay, so what kind of equation are we dealing with? Can somebody tell me? What kind of equation? It is written in the sentence here. Linear. That means if we were to graph this equation using some kind of graphing tool, then the image will look like a line. Does that make sense? Okay, all right, so now our focus is to solve this equation algebraically. So we're doing algebra with this, right? Okay, I see variables on both sides. I see a variable on the left, I see a variable on the right as well. On the left and right. So what do I do with these variables? Can somebody tell me? What do I do with them? I need to combine what? The variables. What are variables, by the way? Variables are what? Variables are the x's, correct? Okay, so this is what we call variable. This is called variable, right? Okay, so x minus 3 over 5x. Are we okay? All right, what do I do with this? What did I do with this? Minus. Why did I subtract that? Because we're moving the expression that's on the right to the left side of the equation, correct? So when we do that, we swap the sign, correct? Swap means change. All right. Okay. So now all my variables, or the x's, are on the left side. Right. So what do I do next? Alina, tell me. What do I do next? I need to bring this number to the other side, right? Okay. So I need to bring this to the right side. Okay. So when I do that, what should I write here on the right side? What do I write? Minus 9, or is it positive 9? You know, we're moving this number to the other side of the equation. Oh, yeah, it was originally negative 9, but then when you move it to the other side of the equation, what do I do with that negative sign? Positive, thank you. Okay, so this is 9. Are we okay? All right. Okay, so there are a lot of things happening here, so you have to slow down and work out the equation carefully, okay? All right, so now I need to simplify the left side. Okay, I need a different color here. I want to insert a 1 here. Okay? Why did I insert a 1 in front of the x? Because
x equals 1x.
when there is no coefficient written in front of an x or a variable, we understand that there is a hidden 1. The coefficient is 1, right? Okay, right. So then we have to combine these coefficients. So 1 minus 3 over 5 is what number? 1 minus 3 over 5 is what number? 2 over 5, thank you. So 2 over 5. X equals 9. Okay, so we combined the coefficients, right, for the x. Now, like I said in the previous example, there is a hidden multiplication going on, right? What operation is the opposite of multiplying?
Division.
Division, thank you. Okay, so I need to divide both sides by what number? Divide both sides by what number? whatever coefficient you see in front of your x. Ah, so 2 over 5. Okay. All right, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2 over 5. Okay, so that is gone. What do I have left on the left side? Just x, right? Okay. X equals. Then our goal is to solve this fraction. Or simplify this fraction, right? So our main division sign is right here. Different color. The main division sign is this. Right? Okay, so then I go 9 over 1 divided by 2 over 5. Are you with me? Because I can write 9 as 9 over 1. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and then move on. 9 over 1. And then what do I do with this fraction? Reciprocate it, yes, or flip this. And this sign changes to multiplication, correct? Yes. Okay. And then the other thing that we need to do is this, guys. I want you to multiply everything across. So 9 times 5, and then 1 times 2. All right, what will be the top of my fraction? 45. What will be the bottom of my fraction? 2. Can you simplify this fraction further? What is it? Half of 45. 22.5. Are we okay with this? Okay. All right. So x equals x equals 22.5. Are we okay with this? All right. Okay. So then once you have written this down, I want you to plug this back into the original equation to test your solution. All right? Okay. Good job, you guys.